Hi everyone, this is my second Shotcut tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to actually overlay one video on top of another. That's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to open the file, and that was these two video, and that's a painting, and I'd like to send that to the background. And I'm going to actually put that the guitar video on top of it. So I'm going to put that in the timeline and make sure it's small enough, and I add another video track, and using this one I'm going to show you everything. And I'm going to put this guitar video actually on top of this one like this. For some reason it always puts in in different positions, so I have to drag it over here and make it small enough, so make sure that in the same pretty much in the same position. For whatever reason I have made it this one slightly longer. So starting position is probably, I don't know, I'll just leave it at that. And I'm going to make this one on top of this and make it small. So I'm going to use this filter on the first video, actually guitar video. In that filter, we use size and position. So that's what we're going to use. Here's a size and position. And if you click on that, and it'll place that entire video over there, but my goal is that putting that video down there just a quarter of a size there. Okay, so in that case it's going to show these paintings and most of the time, and this one that is on top of this video is going to only show in this small corner over there. So if I play this thing, it's gonna little choppy, but the final product is pretty good. So, but let's see. You can see that videos down there. Maybe I have to put a little bit to that side. I realize it is kind of a little cut off there. So I think this will do something like that. Let's see how it's going to play. Good. My laptop was a bit choppy, but here with my desktop, it looks pretty good. Just all good. The video already has fade in and out. So that's how you do it. Use multi-track and make this top video slightly smaller, and that two things going to show together. Now export this video, always double checking on the size of the canvas. Right, turns out that's the correct size. I wasn't familiar with that one, with one that's slightly lower. Audio, double checking, is 384. That's it, and that's going to generate one nice video on top of each other.